Outstanding design defines the 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. This 7-passenger van still has less than 10,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, leather upholstery, a blind spot monitoring system, an outside temperature display, turn signal indicator mirrors, and much more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.